Lowel Total light has two types. It has the white light and it has the orange light. But this one I'm using today is the orange light. This LED light is the red LED light. I'm trying to compare both to each other. This is actually bright, it's super bright. You can see. Okay, and then I'm not put on this one there, but I'm going to put on this one now, and so that you can hear how. I'm going to put on this one now, so you can hear how much current it draws. Okay, can you see? And it's hot. It's really hot. So you can also control the flap when it's cold, or not when it's hot. So you can go closer or you open it up. So, but it has the orange feel, and then that's what it looks like. Just what I would advise you getting is like this. Just make sure that you are using it to take pictures and video. If not, you start sweating. Can you see? I'm sweating already. That's hot, really that hot. So it's 500 watts. 500 watts, like that's it. So if you don't quickly put it on, take pictures of where you are, is not powered by a very strong generator or what's called. Don't even bother using inverter or small gen, because you have to put on everything to do that. Okay, so that's the comparison, guys. The white LED light, not hot, you can touch it. This I can't even go. So you can burn your ring light. So just make sure that you are doing them separately. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helps you. If you have any comments you want to get it, please let me know. And this just gives you that orange particle just for pictures. It's perfect. There's also the white one, like I said, but it's very scarce. So if you need this one, just let me know. And then this is the LED red headlight. Is the regular one. It's also bright, but it's not as hot as this one. So you can decide to. This is really hot. It's really sweaty. So thank you guys for watching, and